Hi, this is Graham Watts with the Martin team at Intera Real Estate, and welcome to our beautiful property listing here at 1765 East Bayshore Road in East Palo Alto. This beautiful townhome style complex features a great European style courtyard with secure underground parking, bike parking, and extra storage for your unit. This condo complex sits in a prime location in the Dravens Wood Shopping Center, close to Home Depot, Target, and the Cardina supermarket, with the PGA Superstore, Jamba Juice, and even Ikea just across the street. This condo is a 2-level townhome with an awesome office loft. Why don't you come in and take a look? When you come inside, you'll see the beautiful updated kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, perfect for entertaining or just hanging out at home. With a huge floor-to-ceiling window, letting in a ton of natural light, it's a great place to relax. This unit offers an in-unit washer and dryer and a perfect loft space, which is great for working at home. Thanks for taking a tour with us today. If you have any questions or any interest in seeing the property, please give me a call.